In this lecture, we evaluate the limit e to the power 2x minus 1 plus x whole square divided by x log 1 plus x when x tending to 0. Now, this is the example of 0 by 0 form. We have to evaluate L is equal to limit of e to the power 2x minus 1 plus x whole square divided by x log 1 plus x. Now, if you put x equal to 0 over here, e to the power 0 will become 1. This, if you put x equal to 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly, if you put x equal to 0 over here, it is 0, and log of 1 is also 0, so 0 into 0 is 0. So this is the example of 0 by 0 form. And we know that if we have a limit and whose form is 0 by 0 form, and we are not getting the exact value, then we have to apply the L'Hospital rules. Here we apply L'Hospital rule, then we have, what is L'Hospital rule? We have to differentiate numerator as well as denominator with respect to x separately. Derivative of e to the power 2x minus 1 plus x whole square divided by derivative of x log 1 plus x. Now we want to find out the derivative of e to the power 2x. It is nothing but e to the power 2x, and again derivative of 2x is equal to 2. So the value of derivative of e to the power 2x is 2 times of e to the power 2x. Here, if we differentiate 1 plus x square, let us consider it is x square. So derivative of x square is 2x, 2x, and here in place of x, 1 plus x, so we write down 2 times of 1 plus x whole to the power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. In the denominator, here since the this is product of two functions, so if you want to find out the derivative, we use the formula derivative of product of two function. Its value gives us u, first function derivative of second function, plus derivative of first function into second function. Here first function is x, derivative of log of 1 upon x is 1 upon 1 upon x plus 1. Again, derivative of x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. This is the first part. Plus, here it is not multiplication, it is plus derivative of x is equal to 1 and into v means log 1 plus x. Let us simplify it. 2 e to the power 2x minus, if we open the bracket, it is minus 2 minus 2x whole divided by x upon x plus 1 plus log 1 plus x. Now again, if we put the limit, if if we put this is 0, e to the power 0, 2, e to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, and it is 2 times of 0, which is 0. If you put x equal to 0 here, it is 0 by 1 is 0, and log 1 is again 0. So it is again 0 by 0 form. So we again apply L'Hospital rule. If we differentiate the first part, derivative of e to the power 2x is 2 times of e to the power 2x. So 2 into 2 will become 4 e to the power 2x. Derivative of minus 2, which is equal to 0. And derivative of 2x is only 2. In the denominator, if we differentiate it, again we apply the product rule. First function is x and second function is 1 upon x. So first function, derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 is minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Again, derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Plus derivative of x is 1 into 1 upon 1 plus x. And the derivative of 1 plus log 1 plus x is nothing but 1 upon x plus 1. Let us simplify it. 4 e to the power 2x minus 2, this is numerator, and in case in denominator, minus x upon 1 plus x whole square plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1. Now, if we put the limit, what will happen? X tending to 0, so it will become 0. 4 e to the power 2 times of 0 minus 2 divided by this x is 0, this x is 0, this x is 0, and this x is 0. And if we simplify it, we are getting this is 4 into 1 is 4 minus 2. This will become 0. This is 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 1 means 1, 1 plus 1. And if we again simplify it, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2, which gives us 1. Hence, the limit of e to the power 2x minus 1 plus x whole square divided by x log 1 plus x when x tending to 0 is equal to 1. This is the desired limit of the given limit. Thank you.